Imagine this. It's 5 years from now. You're either living the life you dreamed of or the one you settled for. And the difference? It wasn't luck. It wasn't talent. It came down to one decision. A single choice you made or didn't make that quietly shaped everything. So here's the question. What's the choice you're making right now without even realizing it? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see exactly what that one choice is and how to make sure it doesn't destroy the next 5 years of your life. We're overwhelmed with choices every day. What to eat, what to watch, who to follow, what to say, when to rest. But here's the trap. Not all choices are created equal. Most are surface level. But one choice acts like a seed. You don't see it growing right away. But give it 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, and suddenly you're living inside the consequences. Let me tell you a quick story. There were two friends, Daniel and Lucas. Both had similar jobs, similar struggles, and similar dreams. But Daniel made one choice: to invest just 30 minutes every morning reading books about psychology, business, and health. Lucas scrolled social media for the same amount of time. 5 years later, Daniel runs his own business and mentors others. Lucas still complains about Mondays. Same hours, same life situation. One daily choice, two completely different futures. So what's that one choice that truly matters? Do you choose growth? Or do you choose comfort? That's it. Every day you're choosing to hit snooze or wake up and stretch, to avoid the hard conversation or finally speak your truth, to say, I'll start tomorrow, or take the first imperfect step today. Growth is uncomfortable. It demands change. It's awkward, slow, uncertain. Comfort is easy. It feels safe. It's familiar. But here's the kicker. Comfort feels good now and costs you later. Growth feels hard now, but rewards you for years. You're not stuck because you're lazy. You're stuck because comfort is addictive, and the world keeps making it easier. Every time you choose growth, even in a small way, you're voting for a better future. One push-up, one journal entry, one tough decision. That's the compound interest of success. Let's be honest. Growth is scary. Why? Because it means facing three things we all secretly try to avoid. Fear of failure. What if I try and it doesn't work? Fear of judgment. What will people say? Fear of identity loss. If I change, who even am I? But here's the twist. Failure is a teacher. Judgment is temporary. And the real you is still waiting to be discovered. Think about this. What if the most successful version of you is not a fantasy, but just the result of choosing growth again and again, in silence? Even if nobody sees it, even if it's awkward, even if you're tired, especially when you're tired. Okay, let's make this practical. Choosing growth doesn't mean overhauling your life overnight. It means committing to 1% better every day. Try this. Morning rule. Before you touch your phone, do one thing for your future self. Read, stretch, breathe. Evening rule. Ask yourself, did I do one thing today that made me uncomfortable, but better? Weekly rule. Schedule 30 minutes to learn something new. No excuses. Growth isn't a feeling. It's a habit. You won't always feel like doing it, but you don't need motivation. You need a system. And the best system is simple. Make the hard choice easy to start. Set out your shoes the night before. Put the book on your pillow. Block time in your calendar. Make it so easy that comfort has no room to win. 5 years from now, you'll look back at today, and you'll either say, I'm glad I did, or I wish I had. The one choice that determines your next 5 years is made daily, not in some big dramatic moment, but in the quiet minutes where nobody's watching. So ask yourself, what will future you thank you for doing today? If this message spoke to you, take one small action right now. Like, comment, share, subscribe. But most importantly, choose growth today, tomorrow, and every day after.